Hi friends, welcome to Easy Embryology to Gross Anatomy channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about spermatogenesis. Okay, let us move on to the videos. Spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? It is a process of cyclic changes for the conversion of primordial germ cell to mature spermatozoa. So this spermatogenesis occur in three stages. They are spermatocytosis, meiosis and spermiogenesis. Now we are going to see about the first stage, spermatocytosis. Here the primordial germ cell which migrate from the dorsal wall of the yolk sac, which is nothing but the proliferation of the endodermal cells which migrate from the yolk sac to. Here the migrating cell enter into the gonadal ridges of the testis. So now we'll see the cross section of the testis. In the cross section of the testis, we can see many seminiferous tubules. So this is the cross section of the testis. We can able to see many lobules of the present in the testis. So each lobule contain seminiferous tubules. So each seminiferous tubules is lined by a basement membrane. It is lined by a basement membrane and it contains two types of cells. One is the sustentacular cells of Sertoli and other one is the male germ cell. So here you can able to see the sustentacular cells of Sertoli and another one is the male germ cell. The male germ cells are arranged in three layers. So this sustentacular cells which is essential for the nourishment of the immature sperm. The outer zone of the male germ cell has spermatogonia. So here you can able to see the cells of the spermatogonia. So this formed from the primordial germ cell by mitotic division. And this spermatogonium undergoes mitotic division and it gives rise to primary spermatocyte. So here you can able to see the primary spermatocyte. So up to this formation of spermatocyte, the first stage is got over. Next we are entering into the meiosis, that is the second stage. So in the second stage, the primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division and it gives rise to secondary spermatocyte. And now the secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division and it gives rise to spermatid. So up to this we have seen the second stage. Then it enters into the third stage, that is called spermiogenesis. So what is spermiogenesis? The transformation of spermatid into spermatozoa. Already the spermatid is formed from the meiotic division of the secondary spermatocyte. So this spermatozoa is formed without any cell division. Okay, so here you can able to see the spermatid which contain nucleus, Golgi apparatus, and this Golgi vesicle contains many acrosomal granules and these are all the mitochondria. So these are all the mitochondria and then the centrioles. So this spermatid, what are the changes occur in this and then it is converted into spermatozoa, we will see in the next slide. Here the flattened vesicles of the Golgi bodies which covers the nucleus, which covers the two-thirds of the nucleus and forms the acrosomal cap. So here you can able to see the acrosomal cap which covers the two-thirds of the nucleus. And this only we can call it as head cap of the spermatozoa. So next one is the centrioles are present in the posterior pole. Here will be the posterior pole is present. So the centrioles which differentiated into two structure, one is the tail and another one is the axial filament. This centriole at one stage it delimit the middle piece of the axial filament and it is covered by many mitochondrial cells, and then it finally forms the mitochondrial sheath. So here you can able to see the mitochondrial cells. So this covers the axial filament which convert as a mitochondrial sheath. Here in this the nucleus which evaginate from the cytoplasm, and this immature spermatozoa will present over the depressed part of the Leydig cells. Once the mature spermatozoa forms, it impinge over the surface of the Sertoli cells. When the maturity occurs, it is free from the seminiferous tubules and then it enters into the epididymis. So up to this we have seen the whole stages of the spermatogenesis. Here we can able to see the mature spermatozoa. When we see the steps of the spermatogenesis, the primitive germ cell undergoes mitotic division and it gives rise to type A spermatogonium and type B spermatogonium. This type A spermatogonium undergoes mitotic division, give rise to primary spermatocyte. Next, the primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division and it give rise to secondary spermatocyte. Next, this undergoes second meiotic division and it gives rise to four spermatids. So finally, the spermatid is converted into a spermatozoa by means of spermiogenesis. So up to the formation of primary spermatocyte, that stage is called spermatocytosis. And from the primary spermatocyte to the formation of spermatid, it is meiotic stage. And from the spermatid to the spermatozoa, that is called spermiogenesis. So these are the three stages occur in the formation of spermatogenesis. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and click the bell icon.